So it should be like the format should be like this. Understand this one. Your name, a recent passport size photograph. It is non-negotiable. It is important for you to add your photo. Then the details. Apart from that, your contact details should be added. Your work experience. Most importantly, the other details also, like wherever you worked, and even skills and competencies required. Achievements and certifications, please mention your interest as well. Okay. So this is how you should maintain your resume. Any doubt anyone has? Any doubt? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Also, this one is also a very good format. You can see that name, email address, your contact details, your contact number, LinkedIn profile, your recent passport size photo, the skill sets. Make a note of it. You can prepare and maintain the skill set. Summary also. You can prepare a proper summary. Then your professional experience. Make a note of it. Management training or anything. So roles and responsibilities also initiatives and achievements. Mention that. Okay. Then roles and responsibilities, initiatives and achievements, internship part. You can mention roles and responsibilities, even the education. Higher qualification will come on top. Your master's degree, then bachelor's degree likewise. So in a reverse order, you can mention recent qualification will come on top. Okay. Certifications. And in the achievement section, you can mention professional achievement, academic, co-curricular and extracurricular activities as well. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any doubt anyone has? Anyone wants to share the screen? Vineet, Aswani, can you please show me your resume? I just wanted to check whether you have prepared a proper one. Do you have a resume prepared? Hello?
No, sir. Actually, sir, I'm in office, so
Fine.
I can join
It's
online.
okay. Fine, fine. What about you, Aswani? Do you have a resume? Can you please show it to me?
No, Prana, I didn't prepare it.
Achha, okay, fine. So I want you to prepare your resume. In the next class, you can show it to me, okay?
Yeah,
Is it
okay,
okay?
sure. Yeah,
Okay,
okay.
please make sure that you prepare a resume and show it to me in the next class, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want to show you one more important part, resume review and improvement. Give me 2 minutes. I'm sharing the screen. So resume review and improvement. Always remember, recruiters spend an average of 6 to 7 seconds scanning a resume before deciding if a candidate is a good fit. 75% of resumes never reach human eye because they fail to pass ATS, application tracking system, due to poor formatting or missing keywords. This is important. Action verbs and quantified achievements increase the cells by 30%. So rather than responsibility, you need to mention your achievements more. Make a resume more impactful and memorable to hiring managers. Now, how to write a resume? Get a resume advice. Choose the right size basically, and font as well. Get a resume advice, review resume examples, and proof your resume. This is important one. So next time, please prepare one. You can show it to me. I'll guide you other details. Most important part, what you need to do, I'll show you. Basically, so purpose of a resume, it represents you when you are not there. Then apart from that, it is quantifying your accomplishments. Most importantly, your accomplishments are very necessary. It clearly states your abilities. Apart from that, it shows your command of the written word. Then it creates talking points for future interview. Then it proves your worth to your past employers. It demonstrates what you can do for your future employer. Very important one. Okay. If in case any doubt, please ask. How to use a section title effectively on your resume. So prioritize clearly, choose clear professional section, titles like experience or education, and keep your titles straightforward and simple. Merge similar content. So combine section with basically lapping content like volunteering and work experience. Bypass ATS. ATS means what? Application Tracking System. Avoid graphics and complex formatting that might not be ATS friendly. Trim the excess. Leave off short-term jobs and irrelevant information to keep your resume concise and focused. Customize for your industry. So use industry specific section titles like technical experience or for IT jobs to show relevance. Important part, see, this is the one. ATS, applicant tracking system. So reads and sorts resumes. Beat the ATS at resumeword.com. This is the website. Make a note of it. Recruiters review only the resumes that passed the filter. Remember this one, okay? Yeah. Now, how to write a tailored job description for your resume. Use the top half of your resume, first page. Then be specific and concise. Then match skills and keywords from the job posting. Focus on accomplishment and not responsibilities. Very important one. Then quantify your achievements and do not lie. Never ever lie in your resume. It's important for you to be very precise and importantly, be truthful, authentic. Then,
So, sir, please explain that slide. It is from like this.
fine, no problem, fine. So Stacy Smith, see, this is the one. So don't use wrong tense, typo error. You should avoid this passive voice, typo error. So it is important for you to check, proofread the resume before presenting. See, typo error should likewise see incorrect pluralization, extra space. It should not be there. Inconsistent punctuation and unnecessary comma. It should not be there. Then, okay, is the resume clear and concise? So these are the peer review and expert feedback. Is the resume clear and concise? Very importantly, does it highlight relevant skills? Are there grammar, spelling errors? And is it visually appealing? This is important. Then, so trends and tips, highlight remote work accomplishments. Okay. Then make your resume ATS friendly. In terms of remote work accomplishments related to managing employees or teams remotely, it's a skill set many employers are finding themselves in need of. Then make your resume ATS friendly by avoiding downloaded fonts or special characters. Stick to simple formatting in Word or Google Docs. Applicant tracking systems are now used by 75% of employers. Very important one. Most important tip that tailor your resume by creating different resumes for each position, industry or company size you apply to. Use a resume scanner like Resume Worded tool to do this for you. Now, final tweaks and formatting tips are, always remember these final tweaks. 5 tips for writing resume. Customize it for your job. Very important one. Backup claims with the date. Then be honest, very important one. Focus on hard and soft skills. Both skill sets are required. Also get a feedback. Most importantly, use bullet points. Add soft and hard skills both. Have a professional email address. Very, very important one. Okay. Choose a legible font. Also quantify your achievements. Very, very important one. So these are the final tweaks and formatting tips. If you want, you can take a screenshot of this. Everyone, I'm requesting you to take a screenshot of this. This is the important one. Understood, everyone? Hello?
Yeah, got that.
Got that? Now recap. Get the feedback to refine clarity, structure and impact. Very important one. Ensure clean formatting to improve readability and ATS compatibility. Regularly update your resume to match job applications. This is important one. So you might be aware about it. Right now we have 1200 plus courses, 1850 plus trainers, and almost 5 lakh plus learners globally. We have also upgraded to international certifications and even Swiss certification from Dunster Business School, US certification from Florida Institute of Science and Management. So these are the important details. Okay, I'm expecting you to prepare a resume, and till the next session, make sure to have a resume done. Okay, everyone?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Any doubt anyone has? Okay, we'll stop here for today. I want you to prepare a resume, and in the next class, please do show it to me. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Have a
Thank
great
you,
day.
sir.
Bye, everyone.
Yes,
Reshmi,
sir.
bye. Vinit, and Aswani as well. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, thank you, Pranav. Bye.
Thanks, ma'am, everyone. Bye. Bye.